How to auto-show cruise control screen on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, you need to start by using the instrument cluster. If you would like to navigate here, you need to use those arrows left and right to choose the appropriate options. Confirm options by pressing the OK button, and scroll up and down also by using the OK button. Alright, so now if you know the basics, let's just go to your instrument cluster. Let me make it bigger for you. And now let's use the arrows to highlight the settings. Then let's press OK to confirm it. Scroll down until you see the display settings, and here in display settings you've got auto cruise display. So when this toggle is turned on, the car will automatically switch your dashboard view to the adaptive cruise control graphic the moment you turn on your highway cruise system. This instantly shows you the safe distance tracking lies between you and the car ahead. I think it's quite nice, so let me enable this feature. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.